Sunset melts into the sea, painting dreams in gold for me. Ancient walls and quiet streets, moving time with mellow beats.
Ocean whispers through the night, silver stars and candlelight.
Every breath becomes a flame, nothing here will feel the same. Leave the daylight far behind, lose yourself, release your mind. Every rhythm soft and slow, like the tides that gently flow. Amore di Sicilian, where the sea embraces the sky. Every heartbeat finds a home underneath the moon so high. Amore di Sicilian, elegant and wild at heart. Deep house echoes through the night, love that never falls apart. Lemon blossoms scent the air, velvet silence everywhere. Marble terraces aglow, where the warm sea breezes flow.
Crystal glasses catch the light, shimmering through endless night.
Every smile a work of art,
Every beat awakens hearts.
feel the waves beneath the sound. Lift your soul above the ground.
Every moment slips away and forever wants to stay.
Oh, we're drifting with the tide, where the stars and dreams collide. Oh, let the music beat, every pulse is all we need.
From Palermo to the shore, every night it feels much more.
Moonlight dancing on the sea, riding our eternity. No goodbye, no final song.
This is where our hearts belong.
Every sunrise starts anew.
Still I'm coming back to you. Amore di Sicilia, every wave sings a refrain. Golden nights and skies, calling out our names again. Amore di Sicilia, luxury beneath the stars. Let the sea inside our soul, I'll keep dancing where we are.
Moon over Sicily, echoes in the tide.
Elders in the tide.
Golden skies melt into the sea.
Silk horizons caught in me.
Marble streets beneath the moon.
Every heartbeat finds its tune.
Ocean whispers touch the air.
Salt and jasmine everywhere.
Velvet nights begin to rise.
Stars are dancing in your eyes.
No destination, no disguise. Only dreams beneath these skies. Every moment feels so free, lost inside this melody. Notti di Sicilia,
Shining like eternity.
where the moonlight meets the tide.
You and I are hypnotized.
Notti di Sicilia,
Luxury in every breeze.
deep house echoes through the night.
We're alive until first light.
Crystal glasses softly shine.
Every second tastes like wine.
Palms are swaying with the beat.
Summer moving through our feet.
Hidden gardens, endless glow.
Only hearts are meant to know.
Every rhythm pulls us near.
Nothing left for us to fear.
Let the bass become the waves. Every memory it saves.
Close your eyes and drift away.
Night will never fade to gray.
No tomorrow, only now. Feel forever in this sound. Every pulse becomes a flame.
Nothing here will stay the same.
Notte di Sicilia, wrapped in stars above the sea.
Every beat becomes alive.
Guiding us into the night. Notte di Sicilia, our escape, our fantasy.
Where the sunrise greets the shore.
We'll keep dancing evermore. On the water,
Fire in our souls. Sicilian nights
forever unfold.
Crimson fades into the blue. The coastline wakes with a different view.
Marble echoes candlelight.
Breathing life into the night.
Silken winds across the sea.
Carry ancient melodies.
Every heartbeat finds the groove.
Every soul begins to move.
Take my hand, don't say a word. Let the ocean be our world.
Every rhythm draws us near.
Nothing else exists right here.
Notti di Sicilia,
Where the moonlight paints the tide.
every wave becomes a dream.
Every moment feels alive.
Notti di Sicilia,
Luxury beneath the stars.
deep house flowing through our veins.
Healing every restless heart.
Lemon blossom scent the air.
Soft reflections everywhere.
Hidden terraces above.
Filled with laughter, filled with love.
Crystal glasses softly shine,
frozen in a perfect time.
the city's heartbeat blends with ours,
Blooming like the midnight flowers.
feel the bass beneath your feet,
Like the waves in endless sleep.
close your eyes and let it be.
Lost between the sky and sea.
Oh, let the rhythm take control.
Mediterranean soul.
Oh, let the night unfold.
Wrapped in silver, kissed by gold.
No clocks, no destination, only sound and celebration. From the harbor to the hills,
Every note the silence fills.
as the sunrise starts to glow,
We'll remember what we know.
some nights never truly end.
They return with every wind.
Naughty di Sicilia,
Every star becomes a flame.
every beat ignites the sky.
Nothing ever stays the same.
Naughty di Sicilia,
Elegant and wild and free.
when the music meets the waves,
That's exactly where we'll be.
velvet skies,
Sapphire seas,
one last dance.
one sweet breeze.
Naughty di Sicilia,
The night lives on.
golden light across the bay, summer steals the dead away.
White stone walls and sapphire seas.
Carry whispers on the breeze,
Every street begins to glow.
where the ancient lanterns show.
Footsteps dancing side by side.
With the moon as our guide,
Feel the rhythm in the air. Every heartbeat takes us there. Leave the world beyond the shore. Tonight we're asking nothing more.
La Familia House,
Where every soul belongs.
Mediterranean nights,
Wrapped inside our favorite songs.
La Familia House,
Under skies of endless blue.
one heartbeat, one melody.
Every moment feels brand new.
Olive branches softly sway,
As the stars begin to play.
crystal glasses catch the light.
Shining through the velvet night.
Ocean waves become the base.
Every smile a warm embrace.
No tomorrow on our minds.
Only love the music finds.
Take my hand and don't let go.
Follow where the sea winds blow.
Every beat becomes a flame.
Nothing here will stay the same.
Feel the tide,
Moving with the midnight sky.
hearts collide.
Summer keeps our dreams alive.
From the harbor to the hills,
every note the silence fills,
echoes floating through the air,
magic waiting everywhere.
tonight the world is slow and free,
Just the stars, the waves and me.
every sunrise starts anew.
But this night belongs to you.
La Familia House.
Dance until the morning comes.
Every heartbeat tells a story.
Every soul becomes as one.
La Familia House.
Mediterranean paradise.
With the moon upon the water,
We'll be dancing all our lives.
salt on the breeze,
Salt on the breeze.
stars on the sea,
La Familia House.
where every night feels like forever.
Mediterranean summer.
And this harmony. The sun slips low beyond the bay, golden hours fade away.
Laughter echoes through the square.
Salt and jasmine fill the air.
Stone-paved streets begin to glow.
Where the warm sea breezes blow,
Every smile, every embrace.
feels like home in this sweet place.
Raise your glass beneath the sky. Watch the silver moon arise.
Every heartbeat finds a groove.
Every soul begins to move.
La Familia House, where the rhythm feels like home.
Hands together, hearts as one.
Dancing till the break of dawn. La Familia House,
Mediterranean skies above.
every beat a memory made.
Wrapped in music, light and love.
Olive trees and ocean breeze,
Summer whispers through the leaves.
candles flicker on the shore.
Calling us forevermore.
Friends and strangers side by side,
Moving with the rising tide.
no one walks this road alone. Every heart has found its home.
Feel the bass beneath your feet, like the waves and endlessly. Every melody we share turns the night into a prayer.
La Familia House,
Celebrate the summer sky.
every sunset, every flame.
Keeps our spirits soaring high.
La Familia House, dance until the morning light.
Mediterranean dreams shining through the endless night.
From the harbor to the hills,
Every heartbeat lingers still.
moonlight paints the sea in gold.
Stories waiting to unfold.
Together we become the sound.
Where love and freedom both are found.
No beginning, no goodbye.
Just the stars above the sky.
La Familia House, Sunlight fades to shades of gold as the evening slowly unfolds.
Pearl white villas greet the sea
like a timeless melody.
Lemon grows in ocean air, whisper secrets everywhere.
Every step on ancient stone
makes this island feel like home.
leave the daylight far behind.
Let the rhythm free your mind.
Every heartbeat starts to fly
Beneath the Mediterranean sky.
Amore di Sicilia, where the moon embraces the tide.
Every beat becomes a flame,
With the sea forever by our side. Amore di Sicilia,
elegant beneath the stars.
house music, hearts in motion.
Dreaming farther than we are.
Crystal waves reflect the light,
Painting silver through the night.
lanterns glow on quiet streets.
Moving gently with the beat.
Velvet skies and amber wine, every moment feels divine. The breeze carries our refrain,
Calling us back once again.
raise your hands into the air.
Feel the magic everywhere.
Bass and waves become as one.
Dancing until dawn has come.
Oh, let the coastline set us free.
Floating on eternity.
Oh, let the rhythm fill the air.
Love is everywhere.
From hidden coasts to moonlit bays,
We surrender to the waves.
no destination, no goodbye.
Only stars across the sky.
Every heartbeat, every smile,
Makes forever worth the while.
as the sunrise paints the sea.
You'll still be dancing next to me.
Amore di Sicilia,
Golden nights that never fade.
every melody we share.
Becomes a promise softly made.
Amore di Sicilia, Mediterranean paradise.
Where love and music meet as one.
Under endless summer skies,
The sea remembers.
the stars remain.
One endless rhythm.
One timeless flame.
Amore di Sicilia.
Forever in our hearts. Midnight paints the coastline gold.
Stories only waves have told.
Velvet breezes kiss the shore.
Calling us to want much more.
Neon reflections on the sea.
Every pulse sets spirits free.
Under skies of endless blue.
Every dream begins with you.
Lose the hours, lose their time.
Move into a perfect line.
Every heartbeat feels so right.
Floating through the Sicilian night.
Natti di Sicilia, where the moon and music meet.
Every rhythm, every light
Carries us beyond the night.
Notte di Sicilia, luxury beneath the stars,
Deep house flowing through our souls.
like a sky of falling sparks.
Marble terraces aglow.
Candles dancing soft and slow,
Ocean air and whispered grace.
heaven shining on your face.
Every sunset leaves a flame.
Yet no evening feels the same.
Every echo, every sigh.
Lift us higher to the sky.
Feel the bass beneath your skin. Let the silence disappear.
Only now is all we need.
Every moment crystal clear.
Notte di Sicilia,
Raise your hands into the night.
every heartbeat, every sound
Turns the darkness into light.
Notte di Sicilia, ride the waves until sunrise,
Golden dreams and endless skies.
living where forever lies.
Close your eyes, don't let go.
Follow where the warm winds blow.
Seeing stars become one flame.
Nothing ever stays the same.
We're the rhythm, we're the tide.
With the moon our only guide,
Every breath becomes a song.
this is where our hearts belong.
Sicilian nights.
Endless desire,
Ocean of light.
hearts on fire. Notte di Sicilia,
Forever alive. Midnight drips the island slow.
Silver tides begin to glow.
Ancient streets in soft champagne.
Calling out my name again.
Velvet breezes, citrus skies.
Moonlight dancing in your eyes.
Every corner hums a tune.
Beneath the quiet summer moon,
Leave tomorrow far behind.
lose the hours, free your mind. One more beat, one more embrace. Time can never match this place.
Notte di Sicilia, where the sea reflects the stars.
Every heartbeat finds a light,
Shining brighter than we are.
Notte di Sicilia,
Elegance in every sound.
deep house echoes through the waves,
Where forever can be found. Crystal glasses softly shine.
toast and dreams that outlive time.
Lemon garden scent the air.
Magic drifting everywhere.
Marble balconies above.
Witness every whispered love.
Ocean rhythms guide our feet.
Every moment feels complete.
Feel the bass beneath the tide.
Let the coastline be your guide.
Every note becomes a flame.
Nothing here remains the same.
Mediterranean skies.
Where every dream comes alive. Let the music lead the way. Until the break of day.
The harbor sleeps, the stars awake.
Every wave leaves silver trails.
Hearts are floating with the sound.
Where endless summer can be found.
No beginning, no goodbye.
Only moonlight, sea and sky.
Every rhythm writes a story. Every night becomes a glory.
Notte di Sicilia.
Golden nights that never fade.
Every melody we share.
Like a promise softly made.
Notte di Sicilia.
Luxury beneath the moon.
When the sunrise greets the sea,
We'll be dancing to its tune.
moon over the water. Stars in slow motion. One endless rhythm. One timeless emotion. Notte di Sicilia.
Forever in the light. Golden sunset on the shore opens up the secret view. Marble terraces aglow where the southern sea winds blow.
Velvet evenings come alive to the rhythm of the tide. Every heartbeat finds its flame. Nothing here remains the same.
Champagne skies and endless blue. Every dream begins with you. Lose yourself inside the sound where forever can be found.
Amore di Sicilia.
Moonlight shining on the sea.
Every wave becomes a song.
Calling you and calling me.
Amore di Sicilia.
Elegant beneath the stars.
Deep house echoes through the night.
Healing every hidden scar. Lemon blossoms fill the air. Summer secrets everywhere. Cobblestone beneath our feet. Moving gently with the beat.
Silhouettes beneath the moon. Morning always comes too soon. Every smile a work of art. Every rhythm warms the heart.
Feel the bass beneath the tide. Let your soul become the ride. Close your eyes and simply breathe. There's a magic underneath. Oh, dance into the midnight glow, where the warm sea breezes flow.
Oh, let the rhythm take control.
Mediterranean soul. From the cliffs to hidden bays, lost inside these endless days. Stars reflect on crystal blue. Every path leads back to you.
Time stands still beneath the sky. L'amore di Sicilia,
where the sea and heaven meet.
every sunset, every dawn,
Moves with every house beat.
amore di Sicilia, luxury in every light. Together we'll keep dancing on
Through the warm Mediterranean night.
ocean breeze,
Golden dreams,
moonlit waves,
endless melodies.
amore di Sicilia,
Our forever summer. Sunset melts into the sea, painting dreams in gold for me. Ancient walls and quiet streets, moving time with mellow beats.
ocean whispers through the night, silver stars and candlelight.
Every breath becomes a flame, nothing here will feel the same. Leave the daylight far behind, lose yourself, release your mind.
Every rhythm soft and slow, like the tides that gently flow.
Amore di Sicilia, where the sea embraces the sky. Every heartbeat finds a home underneath the moon so high.
Amore di Sicilia,
Elegant and wild at heart.
deep house echoes through the night, love that never falls apart.
Lemon blossoms scent the air, velvet silence everywhere. Marble terraces aglow, where the warm sea breezes flow.
Crystal glasses catch the light, shimmering through endless night.
Every smile a work of art,
Every beat awakens hearts.
feel the waves beneath the sound. Lift your soul above the ground.
Every moment slips away and forever wants to stay.
Oh, we're drifting with the tide, where the stars and dreams collide. Oh, let the music beat, every pulse is all we need.
From Palermo to the shore, every night reveals much more.
Moonlight dancing on the sea, riding our eternity. No goodbye, no final song.
This is where our hearts belong.
Every sunrise starts anew.
Still I'm coming back to you. Amore di Sicilia, every wave sings a refrain. Golden nights and skies, calling out our names again. Amore di Sicilia, luxury beneath the stars. Let the sea inside our soul, we'll keep dancing where we are.
Moon over Sicily, echoes in the tide.
Elders in
Golden skies melt into the sea.
Silk horizons caught in me.
Marble streets beneath the moon.
Every heartbeat finds its tune.
Ocean whispers touch the air.
Salt and jasmine everywhere.
Velvet nights begin to rise.
Stars are dancing in your eyes.
No destination, no disguise. Only dreams beneath these skies. Every moment feels so free, lost inside this melody. Notti di Sicilia,
Shining like eternity.
where the moonlight meets the tide.
You and I are hypnotized.
Notti di Sicilia,
Luxury in every breeze.
deep house echoes through the night.
We're alive until first light.
Crystal glasses softly shine.
Every second tastes like wine.
Palms are swaying with the beat.
Summer moving through our feet.
Hidden gardens, endless glow.
Only hearts are meant to know.
Every rhythm pulls us near.
Nothing left for us to fear.
Let the bass become the waves. Every memory it saves.
Close your eyes and drift away.
Night will never fade to gray.
No tomorrow, only now. Feel forever in this sound. Every pulse becomes a flame.
Nothing here will stay the same.
Notti di Sicilia, wrapped in stars above the sea.
Every beat becomes alive.
Guiding us into the night. Notti di Sicilia, our escape, our fantasy.
Where the sunrise greets the shore.
We'll keep dancing evermore. On the water,
Fire in our souls. Sicilian nights
forever unfold.
Crimson fades into the blue. The coastline wakes with a different view.
Marble echoes candlelight.
Breathing life into the night.
Silken winds across the sea.
Carry ancient melodies.
Every heartbeat finds the groove.
Every soul begins to move.
Take my hand, don't say a word. Let the ocean be our world.
Every rhythm draws us near.
Nothing else exists right here.
Notti di Sicilia,
Where the moonlight paints the tide.
every wave becomes a dream.
Every moment feels alive.
Notti di Sicilia,
Luxury beneath the stars.
deep house flowing through our veins.
Healing every restless heart.
Lemon blossom scent the air.
Soft reflections everywhere.
Hidden terraces above.
Filled with laughter, filled with love.
Crystal glasses softly shine,
frozen in a perfect time.
the city's heartbeat blends with ours,
Blooming like the midnight flowers.
feel the bass beneath your feet,
Like the waves in endless sleep.
close your eyes and let it be.
Lost between the sky and sea.
Oh, let the rhythm take control.
Mediterranean soul.
Oh, let the night unfold.
Wrapped in silver, kissed by gold.
No clocks, no destination, only sound and celebration. From the harbor to the hills,
Every note the silence fills.
as the sunrise starts to glow,
We'll remember what we know.
some nights never truly end.
They return with every wind.
Naughty di Sicilia,
Every star becomes a flame.
every beat ignites the sky.
Nothing ever stays the same.
Naughty di Sicilia,
Elegant and wild and free.
when the music meets the waves,
That's exactly where we'll be.
velvet skies,
Sapphire seas,
one last dance.
once we breeze.
Naughty di Sicilia,
The night lives on.
golden light across the bay, summer steals the dead away.
White stone walls and sapphire seas.
Carry whispers on the breeze,
Every street begins to glow.
where the ancient lanterns show.
Footsteps dancing side by side.
With the moon as our guide,
Feel the rhythm in the air. Every heartbeat takes us there. Leave the world beyond the shore. Tonight we're asking nothing more.
La Familia House,
Where every soul belongs.
Mediterranean nights,
Wrapped inside our favorite songs.
La Familia House,
Under skies of endless blue.
one heartbeat, one melody.
Every moment feels brand new.
Olive branches softly sway,
As the stars begin to play.
crystal glasses catch the light.
Shining through the velvet night.
Ocean waves become the base.
Every smile a warm embrace.
No tomorrow on our minds.
Only love the music finds.
Take my hand and don't let go.
Follow where the sea winds blow.
Every beat becomes a flame.
Nothing here will stay the same.
Feel the tide,
Moving with the midnight sky.
hearts collide.
Summer keeps our dreams alive.
From the harbor to the hills,
Every note the silence fills,
echoes floating through the air,
magic waiting everywhere.
tonight the world is slow and free,
Just the stars, the waves, and me.
every sunrise starts anew.
But this night belongs to you.
La Familia House.
Dance until the morning comes.
Every heartbeat tells a story.
Every soul becomes as one.
La Familia House.
Mediterranean paradise.
With the moon upon the water,
We'll be dancing all our lives.
salt on the breeze,
Salt on the breeze.
stars on the sea,
La Familia House.
where every night feels like forever.
Mediterranean summer.
And this harmony. The sun slips low beyond the bay, golden hours fade away.
Laughter echoes through the square.
Salt and jasmine fill the air.
Stone-paved streets begin to glow.
Where the warm sea breezes blow,
Every smile, every embrace.
feels like home in this sweet place.
Raise your glass beneath the sky. Watch the silver moon arise.
Every heartbeat finds a groove.
Every soul begins to move.
La Familia House, where the rhythm feels like home.
Hands together, hearts as one.
Dancing till the break of dawn. La Familia House,
Mediterranean skies above.
every beat a memory made.
Wrapped in music, light and love.
Olive trees and ocean breeze,
Summer whispers through the leaves.
candles flicker on the shore.
Calling us forevermore.
Friends and strangers side by side,
Moving with the rising tide.
no one walks this road alone. Every heart has found its home.
Feel the bass beneath your feet, like the waves in endless sleep. Every melody we share turns the night into a prayer.
La Familia House,
Celebrate the summer sky.
every sunset, every flame.
Keeps our spirits soaring high.
La Familia House, dance until the morning light.
Mediterranean dreams shining through the endless night.
From the harbor to the hills,
Every heartbeat lingers still.
moonlight paints the sea in gold.
Stories waiting to unfold.
Together we become the sound.
Where love and freedom both are found.
No beginning, no goodbye.
Just the stars above the sky.
La Familia House, Sunlight fades to shades of gold as the evening slowly unfolds.
Her white villas greet the sea
like a timeless melody.
Lemon grows in ocean air, whisper secrets everywhere.
Every step on ancient stone
makes this island feel like home.
leave the daylight far behind.
Let the rhythm free your mind.
Every heartbeat starts to fly
Beneath the Mediterranean sky.
Amore di Sicilia, where the moon embraces the tide.
Every beat becomes a flame,
With the sea forever by our side. Amore di Sicilia,
elegant beneath the stars.
house music, hearts in motion,
Dreaming farther than we are.
crystal waves reflect the light.
Painting silver through the night.
Lanterns glow on quiet streets,
Moving gently with the beat.
velvet skies and amber wine. Every moment feels divine. The breeze carries our refrain,
Calling us back once again.
raise your hands into the air.
Feel the magic everywhere.
Bass and waves become as one.
Dancing until dawn has come.
Oh, let the coastline set us free.
Floating on eternity.
Oh, let the rhythm fill the air.
Love is everywhere.
From hidden coasts to moonlit bays,
We surrender to the waves.
no destination, no goodbye.
Only stars across the sky.
Every heartbeat, every smile,
Makes forever worth the while.
as the sunrise paints the sea.
You'll still be dancing next to me.
Amore di Sicilia,
Golden nights that never fade.
every melody we share.
Becomes a promise softly made.
Amore di Sicilia, Mediterranean paradise.
Where love and music meet as one.
Under endless summer skies,
The sea remembers.
the stars remain.
One endless rhythm.
One timeless flame.
Amore di Sicilia.
Forever in our hearts. Midnight paints the coastline gold.
Stories only waves have told.
Velvet breezes kiss the shore.
Calling us to want much more.
Neon reflections on the sea.
Every pulse sets spirits free.
Under skies of endless blue.
Every dream begins with you.
Lose the hours, lose their time.
Move into a perfect line.
Every heartbeat feels so right.
Floating through the Sicilian night.
Notti di Sicilia, where the moon and music meet. flowing through our souls,
like a sky of falling sparks.
Marble terraces aglow,
Candles dancing soft and slow,
ocean air and whispered grace,
heaven shining on your face.
every sunset leaves a flame,
Yet no evening feels the same.
every echo, every sigh,
Lift us higher to the sky.
feel the bass beneath your skin, let the silence disappear.
Only now is all we need.
Every moment crystal clear.
Notte di Sicilia.
Raise your hands into the night,
Every heartbeat, every sound.
turns the darkness into light.
Notte di Sicilia. Ride the waves until sunrise.
Golden dreams and endless skies,
Living where forever lies.
close your eyes, don't let go.
Follow where the warm winds blow.
Seeing stars become one flame.
Nothing ever stays the same.
We're the rhythm, we're the tide.
With the moon our only guide.
Every breath becomes a song.
This is where our hearts belong.
Sicilian nights,
Endless desire.
ocean of light.
Hearts on fire. Notte di Sicilia.
Forever alive. Midnight drips the island slow,
Silver tides begin to glow.
ancient streets in soft champagne.
Calling out my name again.
Velvet breezes, citrus skies,
Moonlight dancing in your eyes.
every corner hums a tune.
Beneath the quiet summer moon.
Leave tomorrow far behind,
Lose the hours, free your mind. One more beat, one more embrace. Time can never match this place.
Notte di Sicilia, where the sea reflects the stars.
Every heartbeat finds a light.
Shining brighter than we are.
Notte di Sicilia.
Elegance in every sound.
Deep house echoes through the waves.
Where forever can be found. Crystal glasses softly shine.
Toast and dreams that outlive time.
Lemon garden scent the air.
Magic drifting everywhere.
Marble balconies above.
Witness every whispered love.
Ocean rhythms guide our feet.
Every moment feels complete.
Feel the bass beneath the tide.
Let the coastline be your guide.
Every note becomes a flame.
Nothing here remains the same. Oh,
Under Mediterranean skies,
oh, where every dream comes alive. Oh,
harbor sleeps, the stars awake.
Every wave leaves silver trails.
Hearts are floating with the sound.
Where endless summer can be found.
No beginning, no goodbye.
Only moonlight, sea and sky.
Every rhythm writes a story. Every night becomes a glory.
Notte di Sicilia.
Golden nights that never fade.
Every melody we share.
Like a promise softly made.
Notte di Sicilia.
Luxury beneath the moon.
When the sunrise greets the sea,
We'll be dancing to its tune.
moon over the water, stars in slow motion. One endless rhythm, one timeless emotion. Notte di Sicilia.
Forever in the light. Golden sunset on the shore opens up the secret view. Marble terraces aglow where the southern sea winds blow.
Velvet evenings come alive to the rhythm of the tide. Every heartbeat finds its flame. Nothing here remains the same.
Champagne skies and endless blue. Every dream begins with you. Lose yourself inside the sound where forever can be found.
Amore di Sicilia.
Moonlight shining on the sea.
Every wave becomes a song.
Calling you and calling me.
Amore di Sicilia.
Elegant beneath the stars.
Deep house echoes through the night.
Healing every hidden scar. Lemon blossoms fill the air. Summer secrets everywhere. Cobblestone beneath our feet, moving gently with the beat.
Silhouettes beneath the moon. Morning always comes too soon. Every smile a work of art. Every rhythm warms the heart.
Feel the bass beneath the tide. Let your soul become the ride. Close your eyes and simply breathe. There's a magic underneath. Oh, dancing to the midnight glow, where the warm sea breezes flow.
Oh, let the rhythm take control.
Mediterranean soul. From the cliffs to hidden bays, lost inside these endless days. Stars reflect on crystal blue. Every path leads back to you.
Time stands still beneath the sky, like the gulls that softly fly. Every moment, every sigh, life's forever in July. Amore di Sicilia.
Where the sea and heaven meet.
Every sunset, every dawn.
Moves with every house beat.
ocean breeze.